Hey, Cedar Ridgers, it is your humble science teacher, Mr. Lane, and I'm giving you another update here in our fast lane for the second week of October. Kind of your recap of everything that's went on this week in the sixth grade science, as well as a look into the upcoming week. This week, I'm going to do something a little bit different. This week, I thought I would travel the halls here at Cedar Ridge so that you could see that our 3-minute passing time is more than enough to get from one spot at Cedar Ridge to the other. So we're going to see traveling from the hallway. So in my classroom, way down here in D level, all the way up to the cafeteria, I will travel our hallways to see how long it takes to actually get from one class to another. So as we recap, we're going to travel around this hallway. So really, we'll see how it goes. All right, so here we go. We are about to start. It is about 1 minute right now. We can pretend the bell is ringing. And we are traveling, getting on our way up to the cafeteria in our 3 minutes to see it is more than possible. So while we're doing and traveling the hallways, let's recap what's been going on. Well, so far we have finished microbiome, our first unit. Those tests are just in the grade book, and so you can see everything that went on there. And we are headlong into our brand new unit on metabolism. And in this unit, it's been pretty fun. We are pretending that we are medical students, and we're really trying to diagnose Alicia. And Alicia is a 14-year-old girl who has been complaining about having really exhaustion for the past month. That exhaustion has affected her schoolwork. It hasn't allowed her to play soccer and all the things that she loves. So we've been, this week, looking at 4 possible diagnoses. One, there's a possibility that she has diabetes. And so we've been exploring what diabetes is and how that diabetes affects how glucose can travel into the cells. And so we're looking at the possibility of her possibly having diabetes. She could have anemia. And anemia is the process of getting oxygen into our cells, and so therefore the energy goes down. She could have an injury to her pancreas, which is inhibiting her ability to process material. Or she could also have asthma, which makes it so she can't get oxygen. So you can see we're all the way up here on the A level. I've only been traveling for 1.5 minutes, and we've made it so far. So this week we had homework on Tuesday, Wednesday. But you will not have homework going forward. So remember that. You should have 2 homework assignments in. That should be lessons for 2.1 and 2.2. And as we move forward, we're going to continue to investigate what's happening to Elisa. So next week, we're going to get data, lots of information about what's going on. And we can actually start to build scientific arguments about Elisa's condition. All right, so here I am. I've made it. You can see as the camera flips around. I made it all the way up here to the cafeteria in 2 minutes. Now, yeah, sure, I didn't talk with anybody, I didn't go to the bathroom, I didn't go to my locker, but you have more than enough time, if you're really trying to make it. And so, yes, is it difficult? But you can make it all the way to A level and D level. So there you have it. There's your weekly update for the second week in October. And remember, when science gets hard, you got to keep going. We keep moving forward. So keep moving forward.